Hi, I'm Dr. Petty with Carolina Chiropractic in Southern Pines, North Carolina, and I'm here with a client today who is 38 weeks and 3 days pregnant. She is due practically any day here, and I was going to let you talk about, we've been using Webster's technique with her that's for pregnant women as well as breech babies, and I was going to let her talk about what's been going on with your pregnancy since you started coming with us.
So I moved to North Carolina last year and found out I was pregnant in April of this year.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I did chiropractic care with my entire pregnancy back home in Arizona. And about midway through this pregnancy, I was looking for someone to help with just the aches and pains that come along with carrying a human.
Sure.
So I was referred to the practice by a coworker that had come her entire pregnancy. I was looking for someone that had experience with pregnant women because I knew that that was something that was important to me. And since I've been coming, I've noticed a definite improvement with my pain and mobility. And I'm feeling as good as you possibly can when you're toting around a giant baby.
Well, excellent, good. Thank you for sharing your story with us, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.